little early and we are about to port into Sint Maarten. So I wanted to come up to the top deck and check out as we rolled in to port. Beautiful view. I think I'm gonna roll over to the other side and check out the entire island as we go to dock in port. The girls are sleeping. I got some coffee. I happen to just wake up, you know how that goes. So let's go see us pull into port. Sint Maarten. Looks like the Britannica or Britannia is next to us. We are rolling into port. We've made it. Sint Maarten. Ultimate Abyss in port. Also worth noting the scale of people. That's people down there. And then we're all the way up here on our ship. It's just wild up here. Sint Maarten, here we come. Room service to the room. Check that out. And pancakes for the girls. Over easy. All delivered before we get off the ship. Good morning. We have gotten all up, ready to go, and we are going to head off the ship to see Sint Maarten. The weather is beautiful. We are heading down, and you are ready to see Sint Maarten. Tell me.
And today, look at these orange mornings.
Oh, hey, look.
Astronaut.
Show everybody what changed. The floor.
Wednesday.
Gangway.
I can see. Say hi. Hi, we are the Ready Rock and Roll. We are super excited. And go to the bus to drive to Sint Maarten.
Yes, we're going to Sint Maarten Beach.
And I'm singing ABC.
All aboard. 5:30. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Have your pass ready? All right, let's give a big hop. 1, 2, 3, jump. Had a girl. Yeah. Look at that. Our first time off the ship in days. Look at that. Look how we're here. Allie, welcome to Sint Maarten. What? Oh, the name's up front for their Wonder of the Seas. There we go. It's beautiful. There we go. There you go. You want to grab a nap? See? Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Cool, buddy. Let's go. Look at pirates. You guys ready to rock?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Are we going to the bus, Daddy?
We're going to do a taxi, yeah. We're going to take a taxi to...
Taxi big?
Oh, it's kind of small. It's like a van. Does that work?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the beach. You ready to rock?
Yeah.
It's so cool to see from the outside. Look. Oh my gosh, it's massive. This is wild. So that's the ship behind us. Oh, the way up there. Just wild.
Oh my God.
We're walking. So our plan is to try to see what's the fastest way to get to the airplane beach. Wow, look at these mountains. These are beautiful. The wind feels so good. Oh, look at that blue. Leah, there's our ship right there. It says Wonder of the Seas.
Hey, you put your sunglasses on now.
Yeah. But see, that's the Brianna. I mean, that one looks pretty big. Welcome to the St. Maarten port. Very cute. We got Christmas carols going on. Adorable. We got Christmas trees up. All right, over here's taxis. Oh, the sign. St. Maarten Alley, look, see what it says St. Maarten. We made it into the taxi. We're ready to rock. Well, look, you can see our cruise ship all the way over there. How cool is that? Into our ship. The beach and the airport right here. We made it! We finally made it. That was quite a taxi ride, and we are ready to roll. I think we can make our way down to the beach.
Let's go find the beach.
See if we can sneak down here. Come on, ladies. Come on. We're on the beach. Look at this. Unbelievable. You guys ready? Oh, it's cold. There go my shoes. Here it goes. Woohoo! How cool is that? Yeah. Is that cool or what? Okay. Woo! Look at that thing. That was wild, Ellie. That was cool. Yeah. You got it? Hold on. Come back. Here, come back. Let me get mommy my phone. Here we go. Ooh, doggy. It's gonna be deep. Oh, it's deep. Oh, it feels so good. We're in the water. Oh, God. Is that cool? Say, we're in St. Maarten. What are you doing? I got you. Go. Grab me. Here, dunk your hands so they get all the sand off. You're okay. I'm holding on to you. Now squeeze me. You're such a goof. There you go. Look at that. Ooh, I got you. Is it cold? Oh, here comes an airplane. You want to be in the water?
Yeah. The airplane.
Hey. Put your hands up. Here it comes. Here it comes. Leah, look. Out.
Hey, you want to get her, grab her?
Yeah, come here.
Oh, here.
I got you. Watch. Here comes the airplane. Mama's on there too. Here it comes. Look at that. Look at that. Was that cool or what? Hold on. Woo! Look at that thing. That was wild. Ellie. That was cool.
Oh my goodness.
What? Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Look at it take off.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Into the air. We're now gonna sit and enjoy our lunch by the beach. Allie got her smoothie, Miss Leah got her smoothie, and Mommy's got Secco. It's a good day. St. Maarten! This is where we're eating lunch, right on the water. And big plane of the day is about to come in.
Oh, the bus.
Nachos, quesadilla, mozzarella sticks, and happy girls. Looks like it's going. Here they go. Look at the beach. Look at the beach. Watch the beach. Whoa! Look at that on the beach. Is that cool? And then look, you'll be able to see it off in the distance. Go up in the mountains. You see it? Watch, here it comes. 3, 2. Oh, there it goes. You see it? Look at that thing all the way over there. Wow.
You like the Charlie?
Ice cream bar. The other side. Look at that. Bon. Local bar. And then Mommy's got a can. Yes, we're going to go back. We're going to look at all these. Let's look at all the stands. Look at that thing. We have made it back to the cruise port. Everything is rolling and rocking. We are just doing some souvenir shopping. And some fun walking around, getting some things that we want on the ship. Like, of course, Leah, what did you get? Gum, as she's asked for every single day, but we're enjoying the beautiful weather. It's got to be. We did not have gum, that's right. And she was upset. I blew it and left it in the car, but it's got to be 83 degrees, and it feels every bit of it. Enjoying our time. There's our ship. We are walking back on. We are exhausted from the sun. So we've got St. Thomas tomorrow, so let's not overdo it. But look at this beautiful blue water. I know, isn't it beautiful? Heading back on board. We got our pictures. Time to go relax and enjoy the pool, maybe the water slides. And
Can we eat my gum or no?
yes, of course, you can have your gum.
Am I gum in the water?
Not in the pool, but yes, once you're on board. Man. Maho Beach was exactly what we hoped. We planned on going to the Yoda Museum, but unfortunately, just exhausting being in 83-degree weather. So that will be on a future trip. That we'll get to enjoy the beach, the blue water, and which is right over there. And so, until next time. Walk back on board the ship. Great job, Allie. Successful day at St. Maarten. Look how cool that is, yeah. Allie, aw, look how cute he is.
Allie,
Tammy always surprises us with the best
And make
ones.
sure that our shoes are all nicely put back.
I like this.
It's raining in the water! It's raining on the cruise ship. It's pouring rain. Kissing in the rain.
Kissing in the rain.
I love you. Look at all the rain. It's pouring on the ship, huh? It's pouring. Nothing like pool time in the pouring rain. It's the best. You're already wet, so get more wet. The best. Leah, Allie, what up? Oh yeah.
It's pouring. Your camera's getting red.
I know. Show me your dances. In the pouring rain. You gonna show me? The cruise ship pouring rain dances. Oh yeah. You shy? You're so cute. St. Thomas, here we come. Tonight is white night, so everybody is all white. Leah, let me see. Let me see how pretty you look. Oh, doggy. Allie, come here. Let me see. Wow, look at that. We are all white.
We're going to the stairs.
Oh, we're gonna take the elevator. Oh, he's got heels on. You okay?
Okay. You got it?
Great job, Leah.
Good job.
We're back to the cruise. We're back to the cruise.
Okay, you got your bread. Look at that. What do you say?
Thank you.
Great job.
Butter.
Tortilla soup, corn cakes. My girl is rocking the chicken tenders, and
I'm watching Lucy's School.
what are you watching?
Lucy's School.
Oh, Lucy's School. I love it.
Thank you.
Oh,
Wow. Thank you.
Chili lime salmon.
Thank you.
Look at that. And fish leches.
Wow.
Say hi. Hi. Want your free cheese? Cheese.
Daddy. Look at how cute they are.
Thank you.
Say thank you. Thank you.
Dinner was a success, and we have made some updates to our dinner reservation. I think our servers at our table that we get every night are big fans of us and the girls, so they basically asked us to cancel one of our dinner reservations we made so that we would come back to the main dining room. So we did that, and that's what we're gonna do so that we can hang out with them instead of going to a new dining reservation. But now we are going to check some stuff out. And we are now gonna try to attempt to get on the rising tide bar. This bar is gonna start up on the Central Park, and it's going to drop down 2 stories to the lower level, down below.
The drink.
No. What'd you get?
I got strawberry.
Oh, try it.
What is it?
I got
It's a fruit punch.
A fruit punch drink.
It's kind of like a fruit punch.
That's not bad. That's a little sour.
It's like a fruit punch spin drink.
Try
like
it.
it?
It's not that. It tastes like gum.
Let's see if it tastes.
Oh, is it?
It's almost gum.
Kind of. It's like a it's literally like a fruit punch and
it looks
spin
like
drink.
a strawberry flavor, and
Yeah.
maybe they mix up with this and it tastes weird.
It could be. Well, that rising tide was a blast. We did a little bit of shopping for some t-shirts in the main lobby, and the girls are now playing with the Intense show in the background. So we're gonna hang here and enjoy the close-up front show for the girls.